Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key, we can see that the camera application is successfully activated. And if you want to turn off this feature, we should open the settings application and then scroll to the system section. Then click here to power button and then double click to the power button section and switch camera to none. And now we can see that by double press to power key button, access to the camera application successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.